Ella and Zoe have been working on improvements to their treehouse, and Ella is such a climber that we've decided we're going to make her a climbing net. Ella chose 2 contrasting colors of rope for her climbing net, so we'll start by measuring the 5 yellow vertical ropes and 10 green horizontal ropes. Synthetic rope loves to unravel when it's cut, so to stop that from happening, Zoe and Ella apply masking tape on either side of where we're going to make the cut. After cutting, we'll heat the ends of the rope so it melts back to the edge of the masking tape, making a nice clean end. Now that we have all of the ropes cut to length, Ella and Zoe are going to anchor the vertical ropes. The girls drill pilot holes and then drive long screws partway into the work surface, making posts that we can tie the ropes to. We're going to use one style of knot for this whole project, and that's the double overhand knot. Begin just the way you would start to tie your shoes. Right over left and under again, then pull to make a beautiful figure 8 shaped knot. Let's watch Zoe tie off one of our vertical ropes using the double overhand knot. The nice thing about the double overhand knot is that it'll never slip, so it's very secure for a climbing net. Now that we've got all our vertical ropes anchored, we'll mark out a grid with chalk to help us space our knots evenly. Time to start tying knots. With the first knot, you'll need to pull a lot of rope through. Pull, 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 pull. And then after that, the tail will get shorter with each subsequent knot. Now we're on our way, just keep tying knots. Now we'll lay the horizontal ropes across the grid above the existing knots. Secure the horizontal knots in position once again using the double overhand knot. Keep moving the finished net up until you've completed all of the horizontal rows.
It's gorgeous!
Now we'll tie off the tops of the vertical ropes and attach a few carabiners. To tie off, fold the rope double and then tie a single overhand knot, then hook a carabiner through the resulting loop.
Cool!
To anchor the net at top and bottom, we drill pilot holes in the treehouse frame and then install nice strong eye bolts. Put a screwdriver through the eye of the bolt to help with leverage. Then hook a carabiner to each eye bolt.
There you go!
Time to climb!